Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and as you can see, I am coming on real quick to share my pages because I am behind, and I think I've caught up with everything that I missed. So this is for Patty's open collaboration, hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2024. And the host is Patti at Life with Patti. And I'll have her link down below. And I'll have the hashtag in my title. So I am a few weeks, well, more than a few weeks behind. Where we left off was my favorite animal. And that was week 45. So I am, pretty much behind, but I did catch up. I've been working in my my book. I'm going to stand up here. So week 20, no, week 46 was splatter, and I took pink and blue and gray or metallic. I think I have it here. These acrylic paint from Target that I have gotten over the years, and I wanted to use them. And I watered them down, and I just splattered them all over my page. Literally, I just took a what do you call it? A paintbrush, and I watered it down, obviously, and I got these really cool splatters. And then I went online to find a quote, and it says, "You won't know what you can do until you try." And it says, "Be you." What else is it? It's tiny. "Be thankful, be kind, be humble." And it had all these splatters on there. And I'm like, perfect. I'm gonna take it. So that was week 46. Week 47 is what you are thankful for. Just like the one page here that we did. Something similar is what you love, or what you love. But these three are the main things that I'm thankful for. And this is paper from Hobby Lobby. It's one of their fall packs. And these are old stamps, oh my gosh, that I've had in my stash forever. They're like old wood stamps from Michael's way back in the day, and I've kept them because I love, these are really good stamps. And then this one I stamped, I want to say it was with these, I don't even have it, with these stamps here. See, it says Faith right there. And I stamped it, backed it with black cardstock, and these are the three main things that I am thankful in my life. Okay, so that is week 47. Oof. 48, oh my gosh, look, is sparkle and bling, or glitter and bling, however you want to take it. So I kind of made a winter theme. I may add more to it. I just kind of quickly added some metallic paper, gray metallic paper. This is just the white paper, and I layered some, this is old Colorblock glitter paper, and it sparkles, but it sheds. So it's okay for this. I'm not giving this journal to anybody. And I have all these, from my glue gun. Crazy. Anyway, And then I added some silver bling to my page. It's just not, it's not great to see. Okay, so that is sparkle or glitter and bling, whatever, however you want to interpret. And all I did was I, I cut the paper that looks like snowdrifts. This is bothering me. Gosh, these strings are terrible. Once you have them, they never go away. Unless you take a, what do you call it? One of those heat tools and, melt them away. But anyway, so that is week 48. Week 49, I folded the paper and I made a little pocket, but it's not a pocket. It just looks like a pocket, but I folded it in a way. I printed out all these crayons. I printed them out, I fussy cutted them, and I added them. And then I added this quote, no matter how old or broken a crayon is, it can still create a masterpiece. And I love how I did that. That was different. Okay, this week is gingerbread. Oh my gosh. Okay, so with that, I made a 2-page spread. This one is kind of like a half a page. I took paper from paper from Joann's, and I put it on this page and this page. I made one of them into a pocket. I added some brown rickrack to my pocket here and also to this little pocket. This is a paper bag from the Dollar Tree. I don't think they had it this year, but this is what it looks like. It's a paper bag. And all I did was I cut my bag up in pieces. So I have like handcrafted peppermint candy, North Pole Supply Company, gingerbread baking company, freshly baked cookies. This is a card kit that I participated, I think it was last year. I had an extra kit, and so I want to keep it in here to remember that. And I think I'm going to journal about it. It was for Maka's Home here on YouTube. She did a card kit swap, and this was mine. So that's all I did was I made a kit for everybody to make. All the pieces are in there, and then they put it together however they wanted. And then here's the other part of the card and the layers. So I had just added it to this pocket, so maybe I can journal, about the swap and everything like that. That would be fun to do. So that, I am caught up. This is week 50 in Patti's open collaboration. I am caught up. Yay! I've been so busy, guys. I can't wait till I'm off, and my boss wanted me to continue on working just to help fill in, and yeah, I don't have any free time, so that stinks, but I'm okay with it. It gives us extra moolah and it'll help out. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Look at my journal is getting thick and crazy as you can see, but it's all in there, and I only have 2 more weeks to go, so I'm going to try and keep my pages relatively flat, but I still have a lot of paper more that I can continue, but I don't know how big it's going to get. It might get even bigger. I might have to take it off, these rings, if I continue, but we'll see how it goes. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.